is the Jaguar Box from Cube Fireworks, and as you can see, we put them on a little board. So fire away, Jace. Let's see how they go. There's a few fountains in here. It needs to switch gas on, Jace. Here we are. So this is your first one, and this is the Jaguar Box I've just shown you. This is actually the smallest box of the Cube boxes we do. These are all back garden fireworks, obviously, as you can see. No, one down. Next one. Hello, Turtle Jace. Alright, no wrong with that one. I've got a couple of these, are you doing one at a time, Jace? Yeah, I was going to do one. This is going to shoot up. Well, I think it will. Oh no, I don't think it will fountain. I'm surprised at that. Well, for a tiny little tube, I'm quite impressed how long that lasts. Right, next, Jason, another one of these, is it?
Yeah.
Well, I think he's lit two. I think he might have lit
No,
two.
only one.
Only one, he says. Yeah. I think everything in this box is actually fountains, if I'm being honest with you. As I said, the Jaguar Box. Let's do another one of these. Not going to deny, when I first saw these, I thought, ooh, a little bit, not a lot, bit of air in the boxes, but I'm quite impressed. Actually, quite decent. Next fountain. I'm more impressed watching them than
just lit up, man.
What's this one, Jace? These don't shoot up, do they? I think these shoot up, yep, told you. Way up in the sky. And next one's the same, it's a little candle. You don't have much what fires in the air with these. This is the same with all of these. Right way. There you go. Oh, I'll end it like that if you can hear him behind me. Oh, two little cones. Yeah, little sunlight there. So these are cone fountains. These are quite. Get back a bit. I think the next one's exactly the same, Jace.
Yeah.
So it'll be a repeat of what we've just seen. No wrong with that. Then the next one, there's actually 3 of these candles in. Light all 3 at once, they're all 10 shots. We'll do all 3, so here we go, better try and get back a little bit, because Oh, there you go, that's it, Jason. Jason, get worried. As you can see,
Green, red.
each one's got 10, so you're going to get 30 shots here. Because we did all 3 at once.
I don't need
Nothing overly noisy either, as you can see. Right, and also in this box comes 4 little rockets, which are here. Which, there's just 4 little rockets. Get back in. Go on then, Jake, get them lit. You doing them all at once? Yeah, I think he's doing them all at once, so I'll try and get them. There you go. Screechers. Yay! Next one is 4. 3, 4. And one more, Jason, there's a Catherine wheel over here as well.
Daisy like this one.
There's a Catherine wheel, which we've already put over here. So that's going like that as well. He's put it on thing. Let's hope it spins. Can you see the fuse though, Jason? Yeah, if you like your lighter, you'll find it, I'm guessing. Get it lit. Do you want me to do it? Do you want to hold camera and me do it? There'll be a fuse at the end of one of these. There it is.
Oh,
Black,
'cause there,
green,
yeah.
there. That's it, just like that. But you don't want to use it over anything. Buddy. It's a proper old pudding, Jason. So here we go. Right, Sean's not put it on right to make sure it spins. It's a pudding. Oh, yeah, you need to make sure you put your Catherine wheels on that they spin. You didn't get it for the first one. Anyway, that was the Jaguar box.